welcome to Sthala Ubud Bali. Well, my name is Agung and my partner is
Dekmas.
Well, here we would like to show you how the Balinese people's making the Canang Sari as our Balinese daily offerings.
So the ingredients are young coconut leaves, smooth bamboo stick, and Balinese people call porosan. Actually, it is made from dry pera leaf, pera lime, young pera nut, and this is representing God of three murti. They are Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the protector, and Shiva is the destroyer. And number of tropical flowers, bunga paca or water girlfriend in white, red or pink, bunga kembang seribu or hortensia flower, bunga gumitir or marigold flower, and pandan leaf. So, what you should need to do is now making the basket for the flowers. It is made from a small palm leaf. Put the flowers on the basket. White colored flowers that point to the east as a symbol of Iswara. Red colored flowers that point to the south as a symbol of Brahma. Yellow colored flowers that point to the west as a symbol of Mahadeva. Blue or green colored flowers that point to the north as a symbol of Vishnu.
Well, it's ready. So you see it. It's very easy to make it at home. So you can try this. And this is for you. So we wish you a great day.
Canang Sari, or Balinese offering, is one of the daily offerings made by Balinese Hindus to thank the god. It is offered every day to the god as a form of thanking for the peace given to the world. It is the simplest daily household offering amongst the Balinese people.